Jai Hind to everyone, my dear students. Class 8 NCERT History. In the first part, especially for the half yearly section, we have studied 5 chapters: how, when, and where, from trade to territory, ruling the countryside, tribals, decots, and vision of a golden age, and when people rebel. Through this chapter, now let's take an overview to test yourself. Colony, a country governed by people from another more powerful country. Nationalism, the desire of group of people who share same race, culture, language to form an independent country. Calligraphists, those who are specialized in the art of beautiful writing. Folio, a book made with large sheets of paper, especially in the earlier printing. James Mill, a Scottish economist, political philosopher, and writer of a history of British India. A National Archives of India is situated in New Delhi. Bahadur Shah Zafar was the main leader of the revolt of 1857. Warren Hastings was the first Governor General of India in 1773. James Rennell produced the first map in 1782. Prince Arthur was the third son of Queen Victoria of Britain, awarded with the title Duke of Connaught. The first English factory was set up on the bank of Hooghly River in 1651. Farman was a royal edict or a royal order. Queen Elizabeth I was the Queen of England when the East India Company acquired a charter in 1600. Portugal was a European country, came first to India. Goa was the Portuguese base in India. Lord Wellesley introduced the subsidiary alliance. The Mahalwadi settlement was introduced by Holt Mackenzie. On 12th August 1765, the Mughal Emperor appointed the East India Company as the Diwan of Bengal. Lord Cornwallis introduced the permanent settlement. W.S. Seton Karsh was the president of Indigo Commission. Indigo plant was used to color the cloths in 18th century. Beaver is a term that is used in Madhya Pradesh for shifting cultivation. Santhals and Hurons tribals where the followers of Birsa Munda Khonds lived in Odisha. Ahom's rebellion is related to Assam. Sannyasi movement is related to Bengal. Warrior Elwin was a British anthropologist who lived among the Bagas and Khonds tribes. In 1906, Assam, the revolt of Sangram started. In 1801, the subsidiary alliance imposed on Awadh. The Sepoys refused to go to Burma in 1824 because they were forced to go through the sea route. Nana Sahib was the adopted son of Peshwa Bajirao, and he was the leader of Kanpur during the revolt of 1857. On 10th May 1857, the revolt of 1857 started. Kings and peasants, landlords and tribes, soldiers and farmers were affected by the policies of East India Company differently. In Rangoon, Bahadur Shah Zafar died. Robert Clive asked James Rennell to produce the maps of Hindustan. James Mill thought that all Asian societies were at a lower level of civilization than Europe. A trial by the House of Lords in England for charges of misconduct brought against a person in the House of Commons. This is called impeachment. Musket was a heavy gun used by infantry soldiers. When soldiers as a group disobey their officers in the army, it is called mutiny. And last point, the Battle of Plassey was fought between Sirajuddaulah and Britishers in 1757 AD. So students, you have to take care as an overview for the first section, and you should note down these important points. Thanks. Jai Hind.